Okay, we have Hind. She is from Ajman. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hind, we've spoke a lot recently in the travel industry and tourism industry about how tourism can benefit local communities, how it can benefit local economies. Part of that is involved in sustainability projects. How is that process? What are you doing in Ajman to benefit your local community?
Sure. Ajman Tourism aims to support the SMEs businesses, especially the one located in Ajman. And we are also involving our community and the hospitality sector in our sustainability project this year. We have the most recent project is the installation. It's an art work that we will be participated within COP28. So we gathered all the metal and like spoons and these things that unwanted from the community and the hospitality sector. We recycled it to build this huge installation that will be part in COP28. It aims to increase the awareness as well about the sustainability and the recycling and benefiting the environment.
Cool. If I came to visit Ajman, what sort of experience would I get? Why do I want to go to Ajman?
You will witness the sincere Emirati culture and the heritage as well. Ajman is very unique and special with its own experience when it comes to culture and heritage, welcoming people, and as well as the enjoying the outdoor season, especially now this season. We're focusing on new excursions like kayaking, planting mangrove in the mangrove in Al Zora area. You have a wonderful beach as well where you can enjoy the beach, the calmness, and other activities that you can. Sorry.
Good. No, that's good.
You will do some. That's right.
Yeah, but we're good. It sounds.
Okay.
I think it sounds like Ajman will be a nice place to go visit. Put it that way, especially at this time of year.
Yes. From let's say from October to April, it's amazing to enjoy the outdoor season and outdoor activities and excursions in Ajman.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much.
You're most welcome.